Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you how to make a fall and winter wreath. These make the perfect door decorations. Supplies include wire wreath frame, burlap ribbon, floral wire, side cutters, scissors, hot glue gun, wire ribbon, wreath picks, pumpkins and gourds, and round ornaments. Let's get started. Start with the wire frame and the burlap ribbon. Fold the end of the burlap in half and in half again. Work a piece of floral wire through the folded end and secure to the wire frame where the second circle intersects at a crossbar. Fold the burlap ribbon and slip the fold into the first inner opening. Adjust the loop, making sure it's the desired size, about 3 or 4 inches. Fold the burlap again and slip a loop into the middle opening, adjusting the size of the loop. Fold the burlap once again and slip a loop into the outer opening. Hold the 3 loops secure and twist the burlap 2 or 3 times before making a 4th loop and starting back at the inner opening. Scrunch the loops to the side as you add new loops, making each section look full. A section is complete once you reach the next crossbar. Depending on the size of the burlap, 3 or 4 sets of loops can fit in each section. Continue the same way by twisting the burlap 2 or 3 times and make the next loop start in the inner opening of the next section. Once you reach the end of the burlap ribbon, secure the end the same way you secured the beginning. Fold the end in half and in half again. Work a piece of floral wire through the folded burlap and secure to the wire frame on the circle where you left off, not to a crossbar. You want to be able to scrunch the loops to the side and start the next roll of burlap at the same section to continue the pattern. Once the wire frame is covered in burlap and the final end is secure, adjust the loops and prepare to decorate. For the fall wreath, I have red and gold colors and pumpkins and gourds. To attach the bow, I will use the leftover wire that is holding the bow together. Shift some burlap loops to find the wire wreath frame beneath. Secure the floral wire to the wreath frame. To attach the wreath pick, cut off the long stem. Choose a spot on the wreath and secure with hot glue. Attach the ornaments and pumpkins with hot glue. Secure the ornaments by the string or cut the string off and secure straight to the burlap. For the winter wreath, I have blue and silver colors. To attach the bow, snip off the excess wire and secure the bow to the burlap with hot glue. Attach 2 wreath picks by snipping off the long stem and securing with hot glue. Cut the strings off the ornaments and attach with hot glue. And we're done! Thanks for watching!